Hey everybody, Mohawk Enderman coming with some sleeping dogs. Yeah, finally. My gosh, it took me a long time to get this game. Anyways, let's jump into this. Got me my new Mad Catz controller from GameStop. I'm ready to put this thing to the test. Fix my Mohawk a little bit, even though you're not going to see it. It's not me. Gameware, Havoc, Skookum, blah blah blah. Didn't read that. Square Enix, the big important name. That's why it gets a huge font. United Front Games. And all that good stuff. Sleeping Dogs. Press start. Okay, this title will automatically save periodically, blah 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 blah. Xbox 360 console while performing this operation. Okay. Don't freeze on me. Press start again. First time setup, blah 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 blah. Brightness, mine's good. Subtitles on. Why would I want my subtitles in Cantonese? I don't know. Options. My paranormal door just like opened up and it was kind of creepy, really. I thought someone was coming in the room, but there wasn't anybody. So that's just scary. Blah 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 blah. Gaming controls. Enable HUD. Alright, everything's good here. And now we officially start this thing. New game. You know, it'd be kind of funny. That one Japanese person visiting Hong Kong and doesn't know what anybody's saying. Yeah. All day to sprint. That's stupid. This is just like copying Grand Theft Auto controls then? That's what I'm guessing. I'd rather have my all-star Brink controls. Won me 45 games in a row. Anyways, Square Enix and United Front Games present Sleeping Dogs! These guys, primary target is approaching from the south. Roger that. Okay, everybody stand by. Give him a funny voice. Keep the eyes on him. Oh, babe, finally get this wet Shanghai. I know, right?
We're on the same side, remember?
No, these guys speak English. You tell me this one, you know? Like, such a dick. Hey, get stuff?
Got money?
Hey, we got a problem over here. Say it again? Security guard coming up from the backside, yo.
Did you really?
Can you read them off? You're too far away, Six. Don't do it, kid.
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
Wishy.
What? My shit's not good enough for you? What?
Hey, what's the going on over here? Wonder who the hell are you? Stop! Don't move!
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
Hey, is that a black guy? Oh, never mind. That'd be cool if it were. Oh, God. Oh, that was really unexpected right there. Everybody, don't let him get away. Stop. Don't hurt me! What the hell is going on here? This guy just turned into like a psychopath. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, wait, they spoke English. Oh, it looks like we're off to a rough start here. Dodge this meat. Come on. yes, awesomeness. Love me some good old-fashioned hardcore. Wish everything wasn't just A button in the way. Alright, here it goes. Here it goes. Woo! Get out of the way, people. Come on, here you go. Here you go. Outrunning the cops. Get away from me. Boom! Yeah, you like that. Yeah. How come Naz didn't have to deal with that guy? That's not fair. Button mashing adventure. Woo! And I would fall through. Is Naz like lighter than me? Oh God. Don't move! Arrest him! And Naz got caught. He got what he deserved. Oh, I made it. Sweet. I guess just walk into the door to bust it open? Yeah. More cops. Hong Kong police! Yeah! Oh fuck, I accidentally skipped that. Starring William Lee. What does that have to do with anything? Edison Chen. Yes, Edison Chen. Tom Wilkinson. Yeah. Famous people. Emma Stone. Emma Stone! In Shanghai? This isn't making any sense anymore. James Hong.
We're not kids anymore.
Well, it already wasn't making any sense. Lucy Liu. Well, that actually makes a little bit of sense. Why so much Disney stars?
They finally deport your ass from the United States.
Yeonjin Kim.
Tell my came home anyway. Yeah.
Lindsay Price. Someone might know who that is. I have no idea. Chin Han.
Well, don't let them
Chin Han.
shit on you.
Kelly Hu.
Stay here, you all the time.
Oh, let me let them talk. Let me let them talk.
You know, kind of go their separate ways, but you remember when
Zima, Blonde Man, Perry Shen, Robin Shu, Conan Lee.
Things going with him right now, matter of fact. Huh. Red Bull and the sun on you. Shit, dog guys always say you're running the neighborhood. Oh, dog guys is a red pole too. Still a total.
Let this thing go on while I choose a volume.
You were pretty tight back then, but now. Hey, wasn't dog guys hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed dog eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta
He
tell
stabbed dog eyes with a pen? He was a kid?
Wade fucking Shen in the flesh.
Austin Chow, Megan Goldsmith, Elizabeth Young, Terrence Meehan,
Hey,
James Mathis.
So look, you and Winston
Judge
need help with
Joe
that shit you got going on with him.
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. Just
Oh,
like
hey,
all
Gamer
time.
Kid. Come on out here. You know you want to see what I'm playing. You'll get around to it. Gamer Kitty's under the bed. Oh, no, I didn't want to skip it. Alright.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen.
Wait, Shan.
That is exactly what we want people to think.
Oh, that dude just turned off the
My
camera.
men went
So I'm about to go down on the
Same
hill.
question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Alright.
Good work.
Made that
Use him to
contact
get
with a
close to
Jack
Winston
Bond.
Chu.
Let me
Do
shut
whatever
up,
it
let me
takes.
shut up.
Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Yi is the most powerful gang.
Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragon.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to
Come
him
on,
haven't
Kitty, come out.
panned out. We don't have much to go on.
Wait, what did
That's
you
why
just
you're
say?
here. I'm hoping
I've
that you
been
can
listening
bring
to
something
stories
more to our investigation.
I
I'm
understand,
busy
sir.
looking at my cat.
The sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Alright, let's get out.
Raymond will be in touch.
Alright, see you
Oh,
later.
wait.
Raymond.
Good luck out there.
Yeah, just shut the fuck up. I don't need your luck.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now,
Okay.
I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes.
Are you saying he's an
Astonishing
ego
number of
of
convictions.
Hong
He
Kong?
obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. He could turn into
Well,
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
yes, we do need a psychopath. He does need to be Asian. He does need to know these people. Yes, Wei Shen is perfect for this job. Ooh, we got a little spinning dragon. Yay, spinning dragon.
Wait, shit!
Wei Shen, man, is this
It's
going
gonna
to be
be
great? Yeah, no!
Yeah, I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit.
Do they have internet in America? Oh my
I think they're
god.
getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something.
Is this like some past time where America had
Get out of
nothing? I never hear of a time where there wasn't internet in America.
Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yup.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
Winston's
a
Red
nice
Bull now?
looking male
All the
ass you got
territory is
there.
Winston.
That's
All
another
right.
save. No, not that. I like the little sound effects they have here. Anyway, options. No. Audio. Turn down these sound effects. Fuck the music. Turn down the dialogue. Put the car music. Yes. And we'll continue this. Aliata.